Good evening, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 8, which is step up to grade 6. Understand division of fraction. Understand division of fraction. Today we are going to learn how to divide the fraction. And we already taught this lesson before. Let's start with our exercise here. In 3 and 4, write a division sentence to represent each diagram. Here too, we need to write a division sentence. Here we have the last number, the number line is 2. So this will be 2 divided by, the fraction here is 2 over 3. Let's count 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3 parts. 1, 2 over 3. So this expression is 2 divided by 2 over 3. What about the next one? The next one here, the fraction is 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction down is 3 over 4 divided by, here we have 2 rows. 2 rows. So divided by 2. Number 1, when you divide a fraction less than 1 by a whole number, will the quotient be greater or less than the whole number? What is the meaning of that? When you divide a fraction less than 1, like 1 over 2, maybe, no problem. By a whole number, let's be the whole number is 2, for example. How we can find it? Half divided by 2, it will be like that. Put under 2, 1, drop as usual, change, flip 1 over 2. So it will be 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is less than the whole number because the whole number is 2 and the answer is quarter. So the answer less than the whole number. Less than the whole number. The next one, how many 2 over 3 4 pieces can you cut from 10 foot long? Again, how many 2 over 3? How many means this number will be the second. So I will make 10 divided by 2 over 3. 10 divided, because how many? The number which after how many will be the second. I have shortcut for that. If you need it, it will be like that. Drop, change, flip. So it will be 10 times 3, 10 times 3 over 2. If you need to make it shortcut, it will be like that. 10 times 3, 30 over 2, 30 over 2, 15. Because 10 times 3 is 30 divided by 2. Here we can use it like that. Half divided by 2 over 1, it will be half times 1 over 2. Half times half. Another exercise for this part. Here, find the answer. 4 divided by 2 over 3. I can make a shortcut like that. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 times 3, 12. 12 over 2, 6. Here, what we are going to do here, just we make 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Put 9 down. And 2 will be up because the fraction is the first. Here, if you flip, it will be like that. So if the fraction is the first, make 3 times 3, put it down, and 2 is up. Here again, what is the answer here? It will be like that. We are going to flip the second one. Instead of 3 over 7 will be 7 over 3. 7 over 3. So it will be like that. 7 over 3 now. 6 by 7 is 42. And 7 by 3 is 21. And you can make simplify as you want. Here, 3 over 1 will be 1 over 3 to flip. Now 7 by 1 is 7. 8 by 3 is 24. The next one. Here, we are going to flip the second one. Instead of 4 over 5 will be 5 over 4. Now multiply. 8 by 5, 40. 1 by 4 is 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Here we are going to flip the second one. 10 over 1 will be 1 over 10. So it will be like that. 1 over 10 to flip it. Now multiply. 5 by 1 is 5. 9 by 10 is 90. The next one, we are going to flip. 2 over 3 will be 3 over 2. Now multiply. 4 by 3 is 12. 3 by 2 is 6. 12 over 6 is 2. The next one, we are going to flip the second one. 3 over 10 will be 10 up over 3 down. 9 by 10 is 90. 5 by 3 is 15. And you can make simplify if you want. Here we need to flip. 1 over 4 will be 4 over 1. Now multiply. 1 by 4 is 4. 2 by 1 is 2. 4 over 2, the answer is 2. Here we are going to flip. 1 over 2 will be 2 over 1. Now multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Let's move to another exercise. Here, Keiko divided 3 over 8 gallons of milk equally into 5 glasses. So it will be like that. 3 over 8 divided by 5. Let's find the answer. We are going to flip the second one. So 3 over 8 change 1 over 5. Now you can multiply. 3 by 1 is 3. 8 by 5 is 4. So 3 over 4. Without solving, explain how you can compare the quotient 7 divided by 3 over 10 to 7. You need to know which is bigger, 7 divided by 3 over 10 or 7. How we can know? Here, the divisor, the second number here, the second number here, the divisor is less than 1. If this divisor is less than 1, so this part will be bigger. The answer will be bigger than the whole. The answer, let's check. I'm going to flip 7 times 10. 7 times 10, 70. 70 over 3. 70 over 3. And here only 7. So this will be better. The next one. Number 17. A car trip takes 6 hours every 2 over 3 of an hour. Brian changed the radio station. Use a bar diagram to find how many times Brian changed the station during the trip. A car trip takes 6 hours every 2 over 3. So we need to divide 6 divided by 2 over 3 like that. As usual, drop a change flip, drop 6 over 1, change, flip 2 over 3 will be 3 over 2. If you need to make simplify, let's make simplify. 6 and 2, both of them in table 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, 3 by 3 is 9. The answer is 9. A regular polygon has perimeter of 8 centimeters. The perimeter is 8 centimeters if each side is 4 over 5. How many sides? I need to know how many sides. If you need to know how many sides, you are going to divide the perimeter by the length of each side, like that. 8 divided 4 over 5. As usual, drop like that. 8 will be 8 over 1. Change, flip 5 over 4 will be 4 over 5. Now multiply. 8 times 4, drop, change, flip. Sorry, it will be 5 over 4, not 4 over 5. Here, I didn't make flip. 4 over 5 will be 5 over 4. Now 8 and 4, both of them in table 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 2 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So the number of sides is 10 sides. The next one. A relay race is 6 miles. Each runner runs 3 over 2 miles. How many runners must be on each team? We are going to divide 6 divided by 3 over 2. Drop a change, flip, drop, change, flip 3 over 2 will be 2 over 3. 6 and 3, both of them in table 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4. Which division expression is shown by this model? This model, the final number is 3. So it will be 3 divided by 3 over 8, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. And we have 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 divided by 3 over 8. You have to start with 3. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.